morning, students. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 6, the second chapter in civics, that is diversity and discrimination. On that, today we are going to discuss about inequality and discrimination. What is inequality and discrimination? On first, what does discrimination means? The people, they react upon their prejudice and stereotype. The people reaction on their own prejudice and stereotype. What is prejudice and stereotype? We have covered in the previous session. The people, they will act upon their prejudice and stereotype. By what? Making the people down. Making the others down. Down in where? In the society, the people react upon their upper caste and lower caste based on the religion, not only by the caste, by the religion, caste, mostly upon economical background. The people, they get discriminated by the religion, caste upon they belongs to, and mostly by the economical background. Economical background means what? The wealth. That is called inequality. Inequality placed by the wealth of the people. The rich and the poor. In the first chapter, we have learned the Kanda story, how the rich people and the poor people. In India, we are having the equal right of vote. But in hospital level, in the official, in the office level, and in the living areas, in that and all, we can see the inequality among the rich and the poor people. Where the rich people, they get a good food, all the needs, they have the need upon the limit, beyond the limit they have. But the poor people, the daily, for even the basic life support. The basic life support like food, water and shelter, not sufficient way. That is called the inequality. Inequality plays a vital role in the discrimination. Discrimination making the people down. By what? Based on mostly upon the economical background, where the rich people, they get everything beyond the limit, whereas the poor, they get not even the basic need on the sufficient manner. This is about the inequality and discrimination. And mostly about what was the discrimination common among the people, that means the Muslim girls. On that time and all, the people, they had the stereotype that the Muslim people, they won't make their girl children to learn, because what? Everything the people, they thought that because their religion is different, because that was a stereotype the people, they had among them. Then the main motto, why the main problem of the Muslim, why they didn't allow their girls to learn, that is poverty. Due to poverty, the Muslim people, they didn't allow the girls for going to the school and for getting educated. When the government, they announced, they gave lot of schemes and offers to the girls, not only for the girls, for all the children, for getting free education. The Muslim people, they allow the girls for go to the school and to get educated. This is the main points about the inequality and discrimination. On this, what is the life of the low caste people? How they face the inequality and discrimination? Based on the work, the caste among the people is divided. Mostly India is a land of caste-based society. India is mostly caste-based society because of the work they done. So low caste people, by washing vessels, cleaning, cutting hair, These jobs and all will be done by the low caste people. This was a stereotype among the people. So these are all the jobs done by the low caste people. So the children of their low caste people, they should also follow the same job what was done by their parents. This was a stereotype. Then the Dalit, the main is Dalit. These people, the meaning of the Dalit means broken. They faced a lot of discrimination among their people. High caste student, he is sitting. The low caste student, he should not sit along with the high caste student. This was the discrimination among the people, and they should not enter into the house. And taking water from the common well. These are all some of the discriminated by the people. The high caste people, they discriminated the low caste people on these ways. On that time, the low caste people, they should not enter into the house of the high caste people. They should not take the water from the common well where the high caste people they are taking. And mostly the life was so painful. The life of the low caste was so painful, and there is no respect at all. The people, they will not give respect to the low caste people, and the life of the low caste was very, very painful. So, mostly, who are all the high caste people? Means traders, the kings and the rulers, and the Brahmins, those who make the teaching. The traders, the Kshatriya, the Vaishyas, and the king, the rulers, the Kshatriyas, and the teaching profession by the Brahmins. These people, they were considered as the high caste people. Other than the people, those who are living in the society, they all were considered as the low caste people. This is the life of the low caste people, and on the next session, we will learn how the low caste people, they get equality, who fight about the Ambedkar, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and how India get the equal rights and the diversity. We will learn in the next session. Thank you and have a great day, children.